Okay, hey guys. So I normally don't do these kind of videos, but we're just walking around town
with our dog.
With our dog. But he's our brother because he's our mom's dog. And we came across this building that
Look over there, y'all.
is kind of haunted because like
Many people have died.
I think people have actually died in this place.
Roscoe, you find
There's like stuff here.
my God, this is
This is scary.
Oh.
I'm actually like really scared to be here. I've like actually never been to a haunted place, like an actual haunted place.
We're gonna go to the big. It looks like a church. The thingy is blocked. I think it's like a church.
Look, can you see that doorway? It's blocked off. These stairs look scary.
Let's go up and try to go down. No, we're gonna like go. Roscoe, you almost fell. Look at Roscoe. Oh my God! Look in the window. Look in the window.
Ugh, this is scary.
Oh my God! Holy no!
No, it's too scary.
Bro, that's scary. You should not. Don't look in there. Don't look in there. Girl, that hurts.
What even is this place?
Don't open that.
It's a door. I'm too scared to even open anything. Because like I said, we've never done any of this. Guys, what if we're trespassing?
What is that? Guys, I need to pee. Oh my God, it looks like it's been burned down. It has.
Like, look at this place.
It's a big trash can.
Oh my gosh. What is that? Look, it's open. Look,
Yeah.
it's open.
Wanna go in it? No, that must be really.
There's stuff in it.
There's a freaking tampons in there.
It smells like pee.
This is so cool. It's been burned down. Because right there, it's been the sign up there.
This is like for real scary.
This is all burned. This is probably the bathroom. This is south right here. This looks like the bathroom.
It was burned down. That's like a toilet hole.
Yeah.
And it,
Oh my God, it's so pretty. That's pretty. What is that?
it was a bird. False alarm, people. It was just a bird.
Oh my God.
It scared us.
Where'd it go?
I don't know. It flew off.
Hawk
Look at that.
living in this house? What is that?
Trash.
Oh my God, that's so freaking terrible. Why would that eye just poke out of that?
What is that?
Don't let Roscoe get sores in the foot! Oh my God, how are we gonna get down?
Jump. Or go that way.
That is just so scary. Like, yeah, this is kind of cool, but
This is
That
like for real
bird
scary.
scared me.
That the bird is the main thing that scared us, but this place isn't like scaring us. She tried breaking something but couldn't break it. Where? Mirror.
Then that means that should be a bathroom.
Then this over here must be the. It has to have at least be the bathroom because that right there, up here, like right there. I sounded British right there. Right there. It looks like it was like the second story.
No, look. That's like a... Why does it look like an elevator? Like, I'm telling you, right there. Ah! Right
This
there
is, like,
looks
for real
an
scary.
Elevator. An elevator. Look, it has three guys. See those thingies?
Wait, what?
Look, it looks like an elevator right here. Whoa, what the frick is this? Look, I found a bow tie. Find something important. Oh, look, I found y'all. Something you
It looks like a bow tie.
But no!
Found a bow tie.
Not a bow tie. Oh.
What if people drive by it like pretend like what if people drive by and in their heads they say, what are those girls doing?
But sometimes.
Look,
If I
it's
go
like,
down, I'm gonna pee myself. Let's go to the that store that like that stuff that you get free drinks. I need to go there. I need to go bathroom. No, I need to go bathroom so bad. Bro, you wanna know where baby girl is? You wanna know where baby girl is? She's in Oklahoma City. Why? Because she has plans with friends. There's another haunted thing right here.
I want to know what this is.
Down here, there's a haunted house that is locked.
It stopped because of. Yeah, I know. I did it like that. Guys, fit check.
What?
Fit check.
We're like,
Where'd you go?
I'm right here.
We're USA.
Yep, we're USA.
Red, white, and blue.
And he's on my team.
Yeah, because he has a